Hello, good day everyone. You are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my face, seeing my video, you are highly welcome. Please guys, join me as we make this yummy donut together. So let's go guys. I have my flour, my butter, eggs, sugar, nutmeg and milk, and I added little salt. Okay, so let's go. As you all can see, my people, this is my odogo machine. So I'm pouring my flour into the odogo machine. I added my nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and after that, my people, as you all can see, I added my sugar, and now I'm adding my eggs. Okay, so I pour in my egg inside at this point, and I added my milk. Okay, so let's blend together guys. So if you are using this, you just have to press mix. Okay, so with that you can be able to mix your dough. Okay, so this is me adding my butter. So I added the butter last. Okay, the butter was the last thing I added. So let's mix it together. Now the dough is ready-able, so I'm going to be pouring it in my bowl. So inside my bowl I use oil to rub inside so the dough will not gum. Okay, to be easy for me to remove. So now I'm covering it, and we are going to leave this for like 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, so we're covering it and we leave it aside. So let's continue watching. And now our 1 hour is ready. So look at the dough. Oh, look at it. So let's dive into it. You see, my children, they're not they use ear, they hear donut. All of them don't pack come. Mommy, when are we frying it? Eh? My people, if you see the way these children they disturb me, when I go see them yours now. So let's go. This is the dough is ready. So we are going to start cutting it. Okay, look at the dough, it's very fresh and beautiful. So let's continue guys. And this is me how I make my dough. See, and my children was like, Mom, is this how to make donuts? Sorry guys, they said no, this is not how to make donuts. When I go see the own yours now, I go show them I first do my own, then later on I'll come see the way they do their own donuts. So this is how I do mine. So look at it, and we are going to covering it for another 1 hour. But I'm not go lie, this thing not reach 1 hour because the way my children say they disturb me. And Mommy, when is it going to be ready? See all of them, see, and they tell me say not be as me say do one, not be so they say they do donuts. They go they carry knife, cup and everything for donuts. Me I not know. See them. This one and me, I see they do my own. See them, yeah, see the one way they do to compare with my own. Which one is more better? Better make una leave am for the comment section. This one not reach 1 hour. I think it was 20 minutes, I be 30 minutes. I don't even know because the way they disturb me, I mean myself, I don't tire. So we are going to start frying it now. So this is how I made my donuts. So if you thought they watch this video, they reshare by people, you never follow this page, you never like, you never share, you never comment. Papa, mama, auntie, uncle, kilo day, what is happening, what is going on? Oh yeah, now make una follow this page to support your girl. Happy mother, happy sister. As you do so, may God highly bless you as you not the support. So my returning followers, my undonga, my correct people, I say may God bless you all as soon as they support you again. I really appreciate. So let's continue with our frying. Look at it guys. Look, is this donut not beautiful? Is it not yummy? Is this not yummy? Look at it. So this is our donut is almost ready-able. This is the second part. Look at it. Is this not beautiful? And my children was like, Mommy, this is not how to do it. How did they do it? I beg, go and leave it. It's okay for me. Leave it on the comment section. Do I try? How many marks are you going to give me? From 0 to 10, how many will you give me? So This is our donut and it's ready nibble to eat. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to follow us for more, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Florence Basic Hair TV. As you do so, may God help bless you. So guys, this is the end of our video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next video. Una bye for now. Bye my people.